Algebra tiles are used to represent the variables in an algebraic equation. One small yellow square represents positive 1. One small red square represents negative 1. One green bar represents positive 1x, and one red bar represents negative 1x. One large blue square represents positive x squared, and one large red square represents negative x squared. Let's use our algebra tiles to show 3x plus 3. 3x is positive, so we will use green bars, and positive 3, we will use 3 small yellow squares. Here we have 3x plus 3 using our algebra tiles. Let's use them to show x squared plus 3x plus 4. Now, x squared is positive, so we use one large blue square. 3x is positive, so we will use 3 green bars. 4 is positive, so we will use 4 small yellow squares. Here we have x squared plus 3x plus 4 using our tiles. Negative x squared minus x minus 2. So here we have negative x squared is represented by one large red square. Negative x is represented by one red bar. Negative 2 is represented by 2 small red squares. Here we have negative x squared minus x minus 2 using our algebra tiles. Let's try an addition problem. 3x plus 4x. 3x is positive, so it'll be represented using 3 green bars. 4x is also positive, so it will be represented using 4 green bars. So 3x plus 4x is 7x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try a subtraction problem. 2x minus 3x. 2x is positive, so 2 green bars. 3x is negative, so we will do 3 red bars to represent negative 3x. Now we cannot subtract 3 from 2, so we have to introduce 0 pairs. 0 pairs is when a positive and a negative cancel each other out. So in order to make this 3, we have to add 1. But in order to make our 0 pair, we also have to add a negative 1. So 2x minus 3x, negative and positive, negative and positive, negative and positive. We are left with negative x. 2x minus 3x equals negative x, which is 1 red bar. Let's try a multiplication problem. So here we have x, so we'll do 1 green bar going down and times 2x. So these 2 green bars will go across. Now to answer our problem, we'll fill in. X times x is x squared. X times x is x squared. So x times 2x equals 2x squared. Let's use our algebra tiles to solve this equation for x. 3x plus 3 equals 9. So 3x will be represented by 3 green bars. 3 will be represented by 3 small yellow squares. And 9 will be represented by 9 small yellow squares. Okay. Now to solve the problem, first we must have 3x by itself. In order to do so, we need to subtract 3. So here's creating our 0 pairs. What we do to this side, we must do to this side. So minus 3. Take away our 0 pairs, 1, 2, 3, to leave us with 3x. But we also must do it here on this side. Take away our 0 pairs, and we're left with 6. So we need to divide 3x to solve for x. So 3x divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we want to know x, so x equals 2.